Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Well, not very bright, but very early, definitely. Currently a 3:45, on our way to pick up John. We'll make our way to the channel and to a week's worth of fantastic riding, hopefully. Bike's all loaded up, obviously. Heavy beast. The weather is likely to play up a bit, but it is what it is. We'll make the most of it 100%. Still got a bit of a cold on. Had it for a week and a bit, just couldn't shift it. We'll be fine. We will be fine. It's all gonna go away. So stick around if you're interested in any of this. Don't really know how much of this you can actually see currently, but you know, I'm putting the effort in to try and record some of it. Plan is France, Belgium, Luxembourg, and into Germany today. We'll be making our way into Germany, and that would be day one. We shall camp somewhere on the B427 around dawn for the first night. Catch you later, I suppose. Right. John collected, 1 hour and 27 minutes, 80 miles to the channel. So that means we might actually get on an earlier train. Ha! Bring it on. Kilometers from the campsite. Not gonna lie, pretty tired. I'm pretty sure John is as well. It's been a heck of a day. And I'm ready to have a cold beer. Fingers crossed we can actually get a camping spot. If the site's not silly busy. If we can't, then that would make it very interesting. Because I've not logged any backups. But I'm sure we'll be fine. Some pretty decent roads in this area. Done this journey, well, this road, second day of last year's tour. So the only stop worth mentioning that we've done today was in Dinant, in Belgium, and it was raining, and I think that's where the battery ran out on the camera, or just before that. I need to review the footage, but I must have left the camera on at some point. So we've not really recorded much since. I couldn't be bothered to swap the battery, and it was all motorway anyway. So we'll put the cameras on charge tonight, and we shall be recording quite a bit more tomorrow, as tomorrow we're going to stick to these sort of roads. I don't think there's any motorway at all tomorrow. So we shall see. We shall see. Should be a good day. But in the meantime, I think what I need to do, I need to shut up and let you enjoy this.